Steel drawer slides from PBC Linear are available in 3 sizes, 28mm, 35mm, and 43mm, with some sizes rated for 24,000 newtons. These drawer slides are built from induction-hardened, cold-drawn steel and zinc-plated for corrosion resistance. High-quality steel balls reduce friction and noise while supporting consistent, long-term motion. Parallel rail configurations also allow for double load capacity. These drawer slides are compact, slim, with an extended stroke, and have high capacity options available. They also support one-way or two-way travel. Steel drawer slides are perfect for use in applications such as heavy tools, fixtures, battery systems, and dense storage applications. Whether you need compact slides for tight spaces, extended travel for easy maintenance access, or extreme load capacity for rugged applications, the Steel Drawer Slide product family delivers the right solution.